What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today is actually a really cool one, something I'm really excited for. And ever since I got the car, I've been wanting to do this. So I'm gonna jump right into it. We're gonna install a Borla Attack axle back system on this car. And it actually comes with a Resonator Delete X pipe and the Attack mufflers. And the cool thing is I still get to retain the active exhaust. So I can have it reeled out when I want it, but when I want to quiet it down, like if I come home late or something and I don't want to piss off the neighbors, I just hit the button on the steering wheel and it'll close the exhaust valve and make it go into quiet mode. But that's probably the only time I'm going to use that, to be honest with you. It's very similar to the mild to wild switch on the Z06s, and it's a really cool feature. So we're going to jump on in installing that. And before I get started, I just wanted to try something different with Borla. I've heard quite a few of them in person, and I really like the way it sounds, a little more deep, and it still gives you that nice, raw sound that I like. So it's gonna sound really good once I match it up with the long tube headers that I plan on installing, and it's gonna just give it a nice, unique sound. So I'm pretty excited, and like I said, I just wanted to try something a little different, little against the grain. So that's why I went with Borla, and I got a stupid price on it. So I really can't complain. And so yeah, let's hop on into it and let's get started. All right, it's gonna be the last cold start with the stock mufflers and the resonator. That was the last time you're going to hear this thing stock, and I just did a couple quick little revs. The car's still cold, so I didn't want to go too crazy with it, but I'm definitely going to do it after, once the boiler's on. So let's jack this thing up. Let's get started. I'm excited and I can't wait, so let's go. All right, guys, just got the car jacked up. Yes, this time I do have jack stands. They're on both sides. I should have enough room to crawl under there and undo everything. Sorry about that background noise. They're cutting a tree down across the street from my house. So, but let's get started on bolting everything. All right, guys, up under here, as you can see, still got that big ass suitcase resonator, as they call it, and I have to get that thing off. I'm gonna start by doing, I don't know if you can see, those two clamps right there, and then these brackets right here, and then the whole thing should just come right out. So let's get started. All right, guys, got these two brackets off, got those bolts loosened. Now it's time to see if I can slide this off by myself without killing myself. So wish me luck. right, guys, this is the first drive with the new borderless attack. Really excited. I just hope it sounds good, and I'm gonna get some clips for you guys. But I got a GoPro on the back. Hopefully that thing doesn't fall off. I'm gonna let her warm up and then do some driving. Woo! This is just what this thing needed. Man, this thing sounds crazy. Definitely louder. Deep too. This is awesome. I can't wait to see how it sounds at wide open throttle. Ah, this is gonna be awesome. Oh, yes. Oh man, them downshifts are awesome. Oh yes. Well, there it is, guys. Really excited, really happy to have the borderless attack on my car. It just sounds great. It's awesome, no drone, and it's definitely what this thing needed. Now, next step is I just have to get these cats off, throw some long tubes on this thing, and really let it breathe. Gain a little bit of extra power too, and maybe I'll switch to E85 for the time being, and it should really make a difference with this car. It should be a lot of fun. So stay tuned for that, and really sorry about all the GoPro footage. I had a lot more, especially with the install of the actual system, but my GoPro, like I said in the other videos, it's not right. I think I have to update it or something, but I think ultimately I'm gonna have to invest in a better camera or something, so I can stop doing these stupid, videos like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like the way it sounds. It's only gonna get better from here. But make sure you guys hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys next time. And stay tuned for more racing because I got a lot of stuff, cool stuff coming. So I hope you guys stay around, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks.